This system is my client, okay? And client say me, I not remember my password and please fix the issue. My data and important work in my C drive and I work immediately and important. Please unlock the system without the data losing. I will be try to unlock the system. Let's start the procedure. First, I don't have any this user password and no, the system is locked by the password and fingerprint. Okay, and see you can also these usernames and this honor. Okay, I want to try to unlock the system. Okay, let's start. First, I want to pick up my USB and shut down the system immediately. And then press the USB, insert the USB, hit in system, which port is fixed and not move. You can see this port is properly plugged in USB. Okay. And then start your system and search the model name in Chrome, which your laptop support the BIOS key and hit the BIOS key. First shut down system properly. Okay. Then restart and hit the BIOS key. Boot menu key. Okay. Enter the BIOS password. Yes, here you can see the boot menu list clearly and boot in your device in UEFI mode. Then press the F1 key for the battery and your USB was properly run in your laptop. Waiting for the USB booting and then process again to come back. First, you can run the CMD, Windows plus R, CMD, and for the open run as administrator, press Control plus Shift Enter, and then CMD is Enter, and press Hit key 3, and then hit my secret command, and then close the CMD and open the software. Open my tool, and then you can see here all the Windows users, okay? And check the admin owner account administrator which can support. You can select this account, okay? I can find my account of owner, okay? This account is used by owner tell me, okay? I can right click here and reset the password and click enter for the password decision. Your password is successfully covered, okay? आपका पासवर्ड जो है, your password is removed from your owner system, okay? And then restart your system, shut down, and unplug your USB after the shutdown. Close the system. Then run Windows normally, okay? Hit the BIOS password. This video is for only represent to the legal activities and you are on risk to try this method. Otherwise, you are in danger. And I can click here and your system will be unlocked without any password. Follow for more tricks. Wait for the properly unlocked Windows. I can unlock the Windows Normal, Windows 10 Edition, Windows Enterprises, Windows 11, any version, Linux and Ubuntu, and then the Windows Server Management Team, Windows Server Enterprises, Windows Server Pro, and any versions of laptop versions. I can unlock in minutes. You can contact me in our WhatsApp number 0333 This system can slow on or reset your password because this process can changing in our system files. First time this can open slow and second time this is the boot normally. Okay. You can see my system is okay and properly working. Password was successfully removed. Follow for more these videos, okay?